guys, I'm making this video around 3:54. So currently it's not yet daytime, and yeah, I just made a withdrawal from this particular Ton website. You can see Ton deposit. You can see the time right here. Every single proof, the time, every single thing is provided right here. So if possible, I'll show you guys the website that I made this withdrawal from. So you can see right here, this is the withdrawal. It has been successful. It has actually been deposited into my account. All right, and let me show you guys the website that I used to make this withdrawal. All right, so this is something that I personally have been checking through every single time, and I was able to make another withdrawal from here. Now, the main reason why this particular project is very interesting and I want to share with you guys is that this particular project right here, I made all the withdrawals from here 100% free. All right, let's go to transaction. Over to transaction, you will notice right here that this was the withdrawal that I just made. You can see the time right here. All right, I made a withdrawal from around 2:47 p.m. and it arrived into my account. So you can see right here about 0.606 ton, which is about $3.02. This is the proof of it. It is still showing processing right here, but it has actually been deposited into my account. Other withdrawals, you're basically going to notice right here that I've actually received these withdrawals. All right, and every single thing that you can see from here, I've been able to make a withdrawal of over 1 Toncoin from here, 1.2, and this was a deposit of one Toncoin, which actually made to the system. But funny enough, this deposit was what I actually withdraw from this particular project, and then I deposit it back again. So this was my first withdrawal from here, about 0.11 Toncoin. I decided to test it out if it was actually paying, and yes, it was paying. So the project right here is very simple to work with. It's a faucet project which you get to take out simple tax, claim your daily faucet, and informate. So this was my last claim. It's still loading right here. Just come over here, do your recaptcha. And like I told you guys, on this particular project, I am on the bronze level, which means I am claiming this amount of Toncoin every hour. So I claim over 0.00400 Toncoin every hour. Now I'm working towards to move it to the silver level, which I'll be claiming this amount every hour. If you're lucky enough, you can move yours to the master level. That means you can be claiming 1 Toncoin every hour from this particular project, which is very awesome. All right, and you can generate a whole lot of money from it. Now to the game session right here, there are also similar games such as other ones that I've actually been sharing with you guys. You play the dice. This one actually just help you to increase your level. At least if you can be playing this every 1 hour, all right, you will know how fast you're going to be increasing your level. You increase your level as fast as anything. Now you can also play these ones to back it up, which is going to help you. So for you to play these games are very simple. You drag it right over here, you click on max, and that is basically all. Just come over here and hit on this icon right here. Now once you land here, you play. That is something that you can easily do. If you come to the faucet session, all you have to do is just for you to come over, complete your faucet from here. Click on this icon, you can go. Let's check on the game session. All right, now on the game session, I'm currently on 16% to increase this right now, so it's about 16%. But if you continue playing this game, like I told you guys from the early start, if you continue playing this game right here, you're going to be making profit from it, and you can easily make profit from here without any single stress. So you can see right here, I'm not even scared of playing this game because the amount I'm using to play this game right now is very small, and this amount is even still given to me from this particular project. So I'll have to stack it up by playing more games, do more free faucet, and then generate profit from it. Now the survey session is provided, and also the affiliate session is provided. You can work within any of these, and if you want to gift anybody, you can use the gift icon to gift anybody. So if you want to actually give this a try, make sure to check the description of this video. You're going to be getting access to this kind of website and you're making money from it. So guys, this is something that I would love to share with you guys every single day. All right, this particular project is called tonking.io, and I've been using it to make money. Stick around for more updates like this. Follow my Telegram channel so you can get more information about this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you guys all the best.